When to get an attorney for a car accident. Car accidents can leave you struggling with injuries, vehicle damage, and a maze of insurance paperwork. Deciding whether to hire an attorney isn't just about having legal representation, it's about making sure your rights are protected and that you receive the compensation you deserve. Serious injuries, significant vehicle damage, or disputed fault are indications that a legal professional can help. An experienced lawyer will manage the details of your case, deal with insurance companies and opposing counsel, and prioritize your needs when car accident settlements are delayed. Under New York's no-fault insurance system, your own insurance company covers medical expenses and lost wages after a crash, regardless of who caused the accident. This personal injury protection coverage is mandatory, and it is designed to provide prompt payment and avoid lengthy court disputes. However, property damage is not covered by no-fault insurance. Those losses are handled by the at-fault driver's liability coverage, and you can sue for additional damages only if your injuries meet the legal definition of serious injury. New York also prohibits the use of handheld mobile devices while driving, and driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs carries strict penalties. These laws can significantly affect the outcome of any claim. If you are wondering whether you need legal help, look at the circumstances of your crash. Severe injuries or the death of a loved one make legal knowledge essential. When liability is disputed or multiple parties are involved, a lawyer's guidance helps you avoid costly mistakes. Uncooperative insurance companies that deny claims, delay communication, or offer inadequate settlements are a signal to seek counsel. Pre-existing injuries that were aggravated by the collision, persistent pain, or an accident that seriously affects your ability to work or enjoy life can all justify hiring an attorney. Understanding what to do immediately after a crash can also influence legal outcomes. Safety is the top priority. Check whether anyone is hurt and call 911 even for minor injuries. If the accident is minor and there are no serious injuries, move vehicles to the side of the road, turn on hazard lights, and stay at the scene. New York law requires that drivers exchange names, addresses, driver's license numbers, insurance information, and vehicle registration details. Any accident resulting in more than $1,000 in property damage or any injury must be reported to the Department of Motor Vehicles. Document the scene by taking photos of damage, road conditions, traffic signs, and injuries, collect witness names, and write down your account of what happened. These details can be critical for insurance claims and legal proceedings. Filing an insurance claim under the no-fault system requires a written notice to the insurer within 30 days of the accident. The notice should include information about the injured person and the accident. If you are unable to meet the deadline, you must provide written proof explaining why. Passengers or drivers should file with the insurer of the vehicle they were in, while pedestrians should file with the insurer of the vehicle that struck them. Keep all medical reports, receipts, and communication with your insurer to support your claim. Even if you follow these steps, navigating the legal process can be complex. New York's statute of limitations generally gives you 3 years from the date of the accident to file a personal injury lawsuit. However, claims against government entities often have shorter notice requirements. Missing these deadlines usually means losing the right to sue. Hiring legal counsel soon after the accident ensures that evidence is preserved and filings are made on time. During the initial consultation, the legal professional will review police reports, photographs, and witness statements and obtain medical records. Once your injuries have stabilized, your legal representative will calculate damages, including medical expenses, lost wages, property damage, and pain and suffering, and send a demand letter to the at-fault driver's insurance company. Settlement negotiations typically follow. If a fair resolution can't be reached, your legal representative will file a lawsuit, begin discovery with interrogatories, depositions, and document requests, and prepare for trial. The skill of trained counsel in gathering evidence, negotiating with insurers and presenting a case in court can make a significant difference in the amount of compensation you receive. Having professional guidance provides peace of mind. A dedicated legal professional will explain your rights, handle paperwork, communicate with insurers and opposing counsel, and keep track of deadlines. Represented parties often obtain higher settlements than those who handle claims alone. Working with a law firm that understands New York accident law can protect your rights and lighten your burden after a crash. If you have been in a car accident in Queens or elsewhere in New York, reach out to L Sanchez Law Office, PC. Their team of car accident lawyers has extensive experience in personal injury litigation. They can help you navigate the no-fault system, understand the statute of limitations and advocate for fair compensation. Contact them at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York 11372, United States, or call 646-701-7990 to discuss your situation and learn how their law firm can help you move forward.